3. Hello, teacher. We will start with the text. Hello, I am the manager of the Bookworld, a bookstore that sells new and used books. We are looking for a part sales assistant to work on weekend. Are you interested in the job?
Yes, I am. I love books and I have some experience in retail. I worked as a cashier at a supermarket for 6 months last year.
I'm also interested. I am a bookworm myself and I have good communication skills. I volunteered at a library for a year and help customers find books they need.
Thanks, great. Let me tell you more about the job. The main responsibility and two great customers. Help the free books answer their question. Um, handling payments. You also need to get the service organized and dealers and report and problems to me.
That sound like sometime I can do. How many hours do I have to work per week?
Okay, the schedule is from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. on Saturday and Sunday. You will have a 30 minutes lunch break each day. The salary is $12 per hour.
That's not bad. Do I need any specific qualifications or studies for the job?
No, you don't. You just need to have a high school diploma or equivalent and be fluent in English and Spanish. You also need to be friendly, reliable, and enthusiastic about books.
I meet all these requirements. Can I ask you a question? How many people work at the bookstore?
Sure, good ahead. We have your full-time staff and two part-time staff, including me. We are small but consistent.
That's so nice. I have another question. What are the benefits of working at the bookstore?
Well, you get to work in a pleasant environment surrounded by books. You also get a 20% discount on any books you buy from the store. And you get to meet other books lovers and learn new things every day.
That sounds awesome. I really want this job.
Me too. When will you make your decision?
I will let you know by next week. Thank you for your interest and your time. Have a nice day.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Thank you too. Bye.
Okay, goodbye.